All right, guys, so I got a Lexus here. This is a Lexus ES300. So HDI bulb is all similar for all these Lexuses, but it's gonna be compact for you to work back here, but you really can't see much. But I had this out, so I decided to show you guys how to remove these bulbs. So pretty much this wire harness is in there. So to take this off, this is, first of all, it's gonna be in this direction. It's gonna be right here. So this is where it's going to be locked in position right here. So what you would do is first you're going to disconnect the connector there, and you're going to turn this guy, and this guy is going to come open. Remember, this harness is going to be on the inside. It connects to the balancer box right here. So if you guys do need information on this little guy, this is a 2003 Lexus ES300. So there's some numbers there. So to take out this bulb, what you need to do, this is easy for you to see here. So you need to turn this counterclockwise. And if you could push on this little guy, that will help you a bit. So this is the guy that I was talking about. Just push on this because that's what it clips. But with a little bit of force, it just moves out of the way. And once you just go past this, and this guy should just simply come off easy. It shouldn't be too difficult for you to take off. So just play around with it. And sometime over time it gets stuck to the bulb like this. But this is the farthest it's gonna go. I'm gonna work with one hand here. Let's see if I can get these ears off. So sometimes you gotta go back and come back out. And there you go. And let's see if I get this. But I really want to show you guys the retainers there. So let me see if I can get this off. This little guy is giving me trouble. Wish I had both of my hands right now. So you gotta kind of wiggle it out. You see how it makes the contacts in there with the bulb right there. So it only goes in one direction. So leave this to the side here. You're gonna have a minimum space. But right now this is coming down on me. But since it's upside down, this will hang on you like that. So what you wanna do is you wanna push on this tab down and outward, and it will come off from that little retainer right there. Same thing here. So it's pretty much held in by this little retainer right there. So what you wanna do is you wanna push down on it, and you wanna come out of that retainer back there in the bottom right there. So this thing lifts up. So to put this back in, you see this bulb is only gonna go one way. Just try to see how it's at, where this little notch, this little hole in the bulb is at, because it matches up right here only in one spot. Okay, so if you try to get it here, it's not gonna go. It's gonna drop only in one place. Okay, and then to put this back in, you do the same process. You take this little guy, and once you have the bulb in place, and you're gonna catch the notches, one and the other side, and it locks right in. And then you do the same thing with this little guy. You're gonna start from the same spot where you took it off. The two ears has to go in, and this thing will clip right on. And then this cover, remember, when you opened it, it came off in this position right here. It was parallel to this. So you have to get in the same spot, get it in there. These little teeth has to go into those little four corners, and then it turns clockwise if you look at it from the back of it. And you plug the connector in. That's how that simple it is to change this bulb. Thank you for watching my video.